with Freely Homeschool. It's here! It's the Good and the Beautiful Geology set. Yay! I've been waiting so long for this, and I wanted to do a live unboxing. The only thing that I did was cut this box open, so you get to see it all, as I do, live in real time. Here we go. Are you ready? Box 1. I got the rock set. You don't know how hard I had to work to get the rock set. What is here? It is the Rocks and Mineral Kit and the unit study. And it is all of the extra books, the read-along books. So, let's take a look real quick at the Rock and Mineral set, because I know there's been a lot of questions posted on Facebook about what rocks and minerals come with the kit. We have Talc, Gypsum, Aquamarine, Quartz, Fluorite, I believe I'm saying these right, I did not Google the names, Slate, Limestone, Granite, Chalcopyrite, I know I'm not saying that right. Here's the Rock and Mineral Kit. It comes with some nails, no idea what that's for, a nail and a screw. Now let's look at that read-along books. The World Beneath My Feet. And it's Caves. This is the younger read-along set. And then this is Rocks and Mineral Study. I will probably order an extra kit on Amazon looking for minerals and rocks from this book as well to supplement, because I like having examples. My children are very multi-sensory and like to touch things, so I will definitely be ordering more rocks to go along with this, because I don't feel like that's enough rocks. But I wanted to see what they had. This is the Geology pack. Oh wow, this is beautiful. This I'm just going to put in sheet protectors because I have the PDF too. So you have the structure of a volcano, some beautiful pictures, eruptions, types of volcanic eruptions. And we move on to minerals. So this is the unit study. For some reason my book for the caves book for the older children did not go through. So I had to place this order separately to get this book. So this is the caves. Oh, beautiful, beautiful things. So I just wanted to give you a quick unboxing. So once again, I will drop a list of rocks and minerals that come in the Rocks and Mineral Kit, so you can look for one on Amazon, and if I actually find a good matching one, I might even drop the link for that too. But I wanted to give you a look at them. So here you go. Well, thank you for watching my video, and join me over at Freely Homeschool, and I also have a Facebook page called Game Schooling. Check it out. I would love to see you there. Drop a comment, subscribe, like the video, and share. Thanks for joining me. Bye!